So the first step is to go to Safari and search the font name that you want to download. For this video, I'm going to be downloading Soap and Bubbles. Then after you typed in your font name, you want to type in font download and hit go. Then you want to choose the website that you want to download the font from. I personally prefer the font because it's the best. Then you want to click on download, that's usually below the font or right next to it. Then the web page should look like this. If you don't have open in Phonto already, click on more with the 3 dots and then scroll till you see copy to Phonto. It will then open Phonto to make you download the font pack. So click on install. Now it's ready. All you have to do is try it out by clicking on a plain image and then using it, and then add text by clicking on it, and then choose font. Then go to my fonts and it should be right there. I have multiple texts and I'll be doing a text pack really soon, so you guys should wait for it. I'm just gonna write a random text just to try it out, and yeah, that's basically it. Just play around with the size and the placement, and yeah, that's basically it.